last song, I won't sing unless you dance, quite frankly. And we're out here in the wonderful Trafalgar Square, and the sun is on its way back out. This is a brilliant song. Who got any fans of Annie Lennox out there? She's amazing. This is a great song. It's from my album. This song is called Little Bird. Hands up! Woo! Come to introducing, so I'll shimmy off. I'll stay here.
So, Louise, how was that for you?
Amazing, they are incredible.
Really amazing.
I've done WestendLIVE before.
Is this probably the biggest audience you've ever sung to?
Yeah, they're incredible.
I think it's safe to say they enjoyed that. That was amazing, wasn't it amazing? Tell us just a bit about, if you haven't got the album, just tell us a bit about the album, the type of songs that are on it.
The album, I'm very, very proud of it. It's full of songs that lots of you will be familiar with, and hopefully it'll introduce some of you to lots of new songs. It's all covers, brand new arrangements, fantastic arrangements by Ben Robbins, my producer, and yeah, there's some lovely mellow songs, and then there's some kicking songs like Little Bird, so something for everyone.
Thank you, Louise.
Thank you!
Louise is going to be in the TKTS just to the left, signing CDs. Thank you so much. Wow. Incredible voice.